Okay, let's build a full-blown AI app using just two amazing tools, Antigravity and n8n.
What if you could build a whole app just by describing it? I mean, front end, back end, no code? So we'll use Google's Antigravity for the website and n8n for the AI brains in the back. And here's the goal, an AI ad generator. You upload a product, it spits out a video ad. It all kicks off in Antigravity. We just give it a really detailed prompt describing the website. Antigravity is basically an agent IDE. It just figures out a plan and codes the whole front end. And just like that, we have a beautiful, fully working website, all from that one little prompt. Okay, a pretty website is great, but it needs a brain. That's where n8n and its automation come in. So how do we connect them? We use a webhook. Think of it as a digital doorway for data. So we just prompt Antigravity again. We tell it to send all that user info to our webhook.
All right, moment of truth. Let's upload an image and see if the front end and back end are talking.
And it fails. Classic. The data just isn't getting through to our workflow. But check out how we fix this. We literally just tell Antigravity, in plain English, what's broken. And it works. The AI debugs its own code based on our feedback. Now the connection's solid. Okay, with the data flowing, it's time to bring in the full, heavy-duty AI workflow on n8n. This workflow takes that user image and runs it through multiple AIs to create the final video. It's basically an orchestra conductor for different AI services, each doing one specific job for the ad. All right, let's run the whole thing. We'll feed it a product image and a simple description. And in the background, n8n is firing off that whole workflow, passing data from AI to AI. And the final product? An email with a link to this pretty incredible, totally AI-generated video ad. So think about that. We built one complete end-to-end AI app, all starting from a single prompt. It really makes you wonder, with AI agents that can code, is prompting the new programming?